Hey friends, looking for a cute Valentine's Day sweet treat? This easy recipe for chocolate shortbread cookies will surely brighten your special someone's day. Join me in this short video and I'll show you how to make these festive cookies. For the ingredients have all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, salt, unsalted butter, a large egg, and vanilla extract. The butter and egg should be at room temperature. For decorating the cookies, have heart-shaped sprinkles, nonpareils, and sanding sugar in assorted Valentine's Day colors. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium measuring cup, combine the all-purpose flour with the unsweetened cocoa powder. In a large mixing bowl, add the sugar, salt, and room temperature butter. Using a flat beater and on medium-low speed, cream together the ingredients until light and fluffy. This takes approximately 2 minutes. On low speed, add the egg and vanilla extract. Beat until incorporated, about 30 seconds. Gradually add the flour mixture while continuously beating. Mix until well incorporated, approximately 2 to 3 minutes. To make the cookies, I'm using a cookie press. It's really easy to use and you can make lots of decorative cookies quickly. Transfer some dough into the cookie barrel. Pack the dough to remove any large gaps. Press the dough onto an ungreased cookie sheet. For the first round, I'm making these adorable teddy bears. And for the second round, these cute hearts. Use any decorative disc, but for Valentine's Day, teddy bears and hearts are just perfect. Decorate each teddy bear with a candy heart and eyes. Decorate the hearts with candy sprinkles, nonpareils, or sanding sugar. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cookies are golden on the edges. Rotate the baking sheet halfway through the baking time for even browning. Using a spatula, transfer the hot cookies to a wire rack. Let cool for a few minutes before enjoying. Chocolatey, sweet, and crispy, these festive cookies would make a wonderful treat for your special Valentine. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.